If you are using Android phone, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to actually conduct security scan and how you can remove viruses in your Android phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do if you are using Android phone, all you have to do is to make sure you visit your phone master right now. So click on your phone master and it's going to load up like so. What you need to do is to exercise a little bit patience. Allow the phone master to load every detail about your phone apps, storage, and the rest. Just like what you see right here, I have some issues on this particular phone. Now, for you to scan for security and remove viruses on your Android phone, first thing first, make sure you head over to your security scan right here. So when you click on security scan, it's going to show like this. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on start scanning. So allow you to load, allow you to scan everything. Then from here, you will have a result about your phone health. And if you have any viruses on your phone, this is an opportunity for you to simply remove the virus without installing any external antivirus app on your Android phone. In this regard, security scanning on your Android phone might take a lot of time. This depends on the health condition of your phone. What you need to do is to make sure that you allow everything to run and make sure the scanning is completely 100%. Once the scan is complete, then you will see an app that has been infected with virus. From there, you can simply remove the virus. So just like what you see right here, after a successful scan, you can see that one risk found, and if you come down below right here, you see manual scan right here, 290 items found, and you can scroll down and see more detail about everything. At this section here, if you see any app that is not being protected, what you need to do is to simply remove the app so that your phone health can be 100% good. Just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply scan for security and remove viruses on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.